there, so today we are going to talk about multiplying decimal numbers. To solve a multiplication equation with decimal numbers in it, we know that we remove the decimals from our multiplicand and our multiplier to get whole numbers to work with. Once we solve the equation, we can add the number of decimal places from the multiplicand and the multiplier to get how many decimal places are in our product. Let's look at why this procedure works. So decimals are really just another way of writing fractions that have powers of 10 in the denominator. For example, multiplying by 0.9 is the same as finding 9/10 of that number, or multiplying a number by 0.09 is the same as finding 9/100 of that number. When you add the total number of places to the right of your decimal points in the fractions, what you're really doing is multiplying by powers of 10. This explains why we can begin multiplying decimals like we would for whole numbers without regard to the decimal point. In fraction form, the decimal point no longer exists or determines the place value. When a decimal value is translated into fraction form using place value, the role of the decimal point is replaced by the power of 10 place value used in the denominator. Here's an example. Since 0.3 equals 3 over 10 and 0.2 equals 2 over 10, multiplying 0.3 by 0.2 is the same as multiplying 3 over 10 by 2 over 10, which equals 6 over 100. When you convert 6 over 100 back to a decimal number, it is 0.06. So let's try another example. We'll do 12.7 times 5.067. So first we remove decimals and multiply as usual. So 7 times 7 is 49. We'll carry the 4. 7 times 6 is 42 plus 4, which is 46. Carry the 4 again. 7 times 0 is 0, plus the 4 is just 4. And 7 times 5 is 35. Then you will carry on multiplying until you get the final answer. After you've got the final answer, then you can add the decimal back in. So you can see we have 1 decimal place in the first number and 3 decimal places in the second number. So that's 4 decimal places total. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal places to get our final answer of 64.3509. And that is why we remove the decimal first and add it back in later. And now you know the basis of multiplying decimal numbers. Thanks for watching!